Here we are, we'll be cleaning my Samsung microwave that goes above the oven. And of course, when you're cooking above the oven, start getting these grease stains on them from the cooking. So I wanted to try this Clorox plus Tilex molded mildew remover. Though not really designed for this type of thing. I'm gonna let that sit for about 15 minutes or so, and we're gonna see how easy it is to clean. And here we are with the result. I mean, the residue mainly all came off. There's still some residue here and some residue here, but it doesn't feel like it's really that sticky. That just one more coat and all of this just comes right off easily. And I didn't even have to like scrub really hard. All I did was just wipe, and that's how much came off on the first try. And this is used with Clorox plus Tilex mold and mildew remover.